the 2014 Audi Q7. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Audi prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated front and rear seats, a power rear cargo door, rain-sensing wipers, and one-touch window functionality. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.